Good evening, everybody. This is meteorologist Andrew Pinero out in the thick of the storm right now. So we have had quite a stormy day today. There's actually been multiple tornado warnings that have been out in Jersey. It almost feels like New Jersey is becoming the next tornado alley, but we'll talk a little bit about that in an upcoming video. For right now, I'm just going to step off camera here so you can see kind of behind me. It is terrible looking out there. It is misty and foggy, it is damp, it is humid, and that's really not going to get any better. We are going to be continuing to see storms roll through this evening. So right now I'm going to put up the radar, and on the radar it's just lighting up all over the place. We are actually seeing some areas that have a little bit of shear still in there. It's not very intense, it's not low level, it's mid-level shear. So it's not really going to be tornadic, it looks like, as it leaves Jersey heading into New York, which is pretty much the system I'm in right now. However, it is pretty windy. I'm getting gusts of winds that are probably in the 20 to 30 mile per hour range. It is a mess. So if you are doing any kind of commuting tonight, you definitely want to give yourself more time. If you can, just stay home. I wouldn't go out anywhere. It is the evening hour, rush hour, heading out of the city or anything like that yet. If you have to be on the road, just expect delays, expect flooding. There's puddles flooding all around me that's building up right where I am. I'm right next to a railroad, and that's kind of a low area, it seems, so there's actually a channel that's going by there. So quite a lot of rain, quite a lot of wind, and the lightning. There's some intense lightning. I'm hearing, besides the overpass that I'm under right now, I'm hearing a lot of thunder out there. So again, let me put the radar back up here. This is something to keep an eye on as you're going into the evening. You do not want to be heading out if you don't absolutely have to. And also, this is going to be a great time to have something like this. I know I've talked about this a lot before. A NOAA weather radio. So I have this tuned to the frequency.
Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads.
So this will be giving you constant weather updates. Anytime there's a new type of severe thunderstorm warning or tornado warning.
Is canceled. The flood advisory.
So it just canceled a flood advisory because they're actually issuing some more flood warnings. And I just saw some lightning overhead too. So it's pretty bad out there. This is something you definitely want to have. It will give you that standard kind of emergency alert tone that we've been accustomed to hearing. This is the test of the emergency alert system. You will hear that. And there's the thunder. So a good rule of thumb with timing of lightning and thunder is it takes 10 seconds for thunder to travel 1 mile from when you first see lightning. So if I count lightning and I count 11 seconds, that's 1.1 miles. So that's a good judge, a rough estimate to see how far away that lightning strike you just saw is. So throughout the rest of the evening tonight, we're seeing the temperatures stay fairly stable. They're not dropping off too much because of the cloud cover, kind of acting as an insulating layer. And then tomorrow, again, I have to say we have a severe thunderstorm chance. It's not going to be like this. So I'm going to put up over here, this is the Storm Prediction Center's outlook. For today, you can definitely see that slight risk, which was pretty much all of New Jersey, except once you get to very northern New Jersey. So that's for today. Now I'm going to put up tomorrow's. Not as bad. Tomorrow, we are potentially still seeing some severe weather out there. However, there's not as high of a risk. Thus, it's only a slight risk and then the general thunderstorms that you see there on the map. So for the rest of this evening, definitely stay inside. I would keep any batteries fully charged just in case you might have some power outages, because power lines could be knocked down if you have that strong gust of wind in that right area with flooding that knocks that tree down. So just keep everything charged up and ready to go. And for the rest of the week, so I mentioned tomorrow we're going to be seeing still some severe thunderstorm chances, but just not as high of a severe thunderstorm chance. And that's pretty much the case throughout the rest of the week. Summer is here, and it feels like it's here, where we're going to have this thunderstorm chance in the afternoon. Ooh, I just saw some lightning, so that was 3, 4. So that was about, there we go. So that was about 7 seconds, so that means that lightning was about 0.7 miles away. So I'm going to head indoors very shortly, because if thunder roars, head indoors. Remember that. Anyway, so for the rest of the week, we are going to be seeing pretty much this, a thunderstorm chance in the afternoon every day through until about Thursday or Friday, where there's less of a chance, but then it ramps up again going into the weekend. So overall, summer's here with a vengeance, and we are feeling the storms and the storm chances throughout this week. So I will probably be live on Wednesday, not necessarily tomorrow, because tomorrow is my birthday, so I'm probably not going to do a video tomorrow. But on Wednesday, when I do my live stream, I'm definitely going to be showing you some of the storm reports from today. There were multiple tornado warnings throughout Jersey, so I'm going to be showing you if they were confirmed tornadoes or not, because the survey team has to be sent out. So we'll see if they actually confirm any of these tornadoes. But that's going to be a wrap for this video. Again, if you can, stay indoors. It is treacherous out. We are going to be seeing this again just dying down through the evening, but it's still going to feel muggy and sticky out because of those high dew points. All right, this is meteorologist Andrew Pinero. Have a great rest of your night. Please stay indoors if you can. Stay safe out there, and I will see you all in the next video.